Hello, have you ever wondered how you can turn adversity into opportunity? Of course, if you have been following me for a while, you already know that everything has to do with the way we think. Are you focused on what goes wrong, or are you focused on how to make things better? Can it really be that such a simple shift in thinking can make that big of a difference? Today I want to tell you a story that is supposed to make you think about yourself and how you respond to challenges. The story is called The Carrot, the Egg and the Coffee Bean. It is a popular metaphor that is often used to illustrate the concept of resilience in the face of adversity. A young woman went to her mother and told her about her struggles with life's challenges. In response, her mother took her to the kitchen and placed 3 pots of water on the stove. She placed a carrot in one pot, an egg in another, and ground coffee beans in the third. As they boiled, the mother explained, "The water can be seen as adversity. The carrot went in strong and firm, but came out soft and weak. The egg went in fragile, but came out hardened on the inside. However, the coffee beans changed the water, making it fragrant and rich." The moral of the story is that we have a choice in how we respond to life's challenges. Like the carrot, we can let difficulties weaken us. Like the egg, we can let them harden us. Or like the coffee bean, we can transform our circumstances into something positive, making the best of them and even influencing the environment around us. This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.